all of that stuff to depend on whether or not it's going to come with a magnet or not. So this one is the Thank You Fold It. Now, what does that look like? It looks like this, and it's funny because I know it doesn't look like anything when you look at it like this. It comes with a die, the shadow die and the big die. Now, the cool thing is on the back, and I know you can't see it right now, but on the back of all of our fold-its, there are the words place fold here, so you will know where to fold it. And you know what? I'm going to make this one really quick because I want to show you two things. Number one, how easy these are to make, and number two, how easy these are to make. I don't know what happened to number two. Sorry, I lost that one. Okay, let's jump in and let's use, actually, I can't tell you what I was doing because what you're going to do for a fold it, Ken just put on the screen too, the item number on this one. What you're going to do, hardest part, is fold your cardstock in half. Just kidding. That's easy, right? Then you're going to take the largest die in the set. And on the back, like I mentioned, it says place fold here. So you can have it fold at the top or on the side. So I like to have mine fold on the top just because. So I am going to, let me get this one. I am going to, you can see it here. Here, there's the fold right there. And I'm putting the die a little bit above it, just like that, so you can see through it, right? And you can bring it down a little bit, but that's about right where I like to do it. Now, I usually use the Grand Marquis. Can you do my cameras for me? I usually use the Grand Marquis just because Shane's an awesome guy, and I love this machine because it's purple. Now, it's not pink, but, you know, maybe someday we'll convince. We'll see. Okay, so now we're yanking this out, and I'm looking at this, and I'm like, oh, what got on my cardstock? I don't know. It doesn't matter because it's not going to show. So here we go. Here's the first piece. Now, I don't know what this is, but it doesn't matter because it's not going to show. Then we're going to get a separate piece, and I just realized I only have one of those colors. We're going to get a separate piece. We're going to make 3 die cuts, okay? Three passes on the machine. And I'm just going to die cut this yellow, okay? So I'm just going to trim that. And I'm going to die cut the same die, but by itself, regular, right? Just die cutting it regular. So I'm going to lay that down, and I'm going to run this one through. I should probably tape it down, but we won't. Now, there's another fold it coming up in tonight's show. Both are created the exact same way. Okay, now let's see what we have. Ready? There we go. That's all, right? Boom. Now, we are going to, and I'll show you what we're going to do in just a second, but what we're going to do next is we are going to die cut this one. On the show on Tuesday on HSN, I will also be sharing with you the adhesive sheets. So I might as well show you the adhesive sheets now because some people are afraid of these, and I don't want you to be afraid of these because they're so stinking easy. So let's grab some cardstock. Let's grab red because can't go wrong with red, right? And what I'm going to do is this is a piece of cardstock. Here's my adhesive sheet. What I'm going to do, there we go, is I'm going to, it says peel here slowly. So I'm just going to peel that off. Maybe. Peel slowly, right? This is now trash. This is all sticky right here. Don't touch it. There's a safe place to touch it right here. Don't touch that. We're going to flip it over and put it on our cardstock, just like that. Guess what? I just made a sticker. So now I like to trim this down because if I don't, I will accidentally die cut where there's no adhesive. Trust me, it happens all the time. So we're going to do that. Now this entire piece is a sticker. That's how easy the adhesive sheets are. Now we're going to go ahead and lay this down. This is the thank you die. So let me show you that. This is the thank you die. We're going to lay this down. Now keep in mind again, all of our fold-its are done the exact same way. Fold-its are so popular for the Stamps of Life that we even have a club membership for exclusive ones because our people love fold-its. Shaped cards are so much fun, and I get questioned all the time. When are you going to do more words? When are you going to do more words? So we have a word here, dun, 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 and it's right there, and we're going to pull that out. You might need to use your tweezers. Sometimes you have to do a poke or two. There we go. So now check this out. I make sure that this is only one piece because who wants to have to add more pieces, right? So now we're going to take this It has that adhesive on the back. And what you're going to do is you're going to peel the back off. Now, I know everybody, and including me, wants to use your fingernail to pull that off. And actually, that time I did get it. But it's actually easier, and this sounds insane, to use the pad of your finger. See, I got it that fast. Why is that? I have no idea. But my friend Jill told me that, and it's absolutely true. So what we're going to do is we're just going to peel off the sticky back, right? Remember, we made this a sticker. Let's start with the letter T. And we are going to, this is a layering die. So we are just going to kind of feed it onto our yellow piece. So the red is going onto the yellow. And then we're going to peel off. This is how easy this is, you guys. Seriously, it's almost like embarrassing how easy it is. But when you give this to someone, they're going to freak out because they're going to say, wait, did you cut that out with scissors? How did you do that? It's just going to kind of freak them out a little. And I have lots of samples to show you. Just give me one more second. See, and then I got stuck right there. So, oh, see how fast that was with the pad of my finger? It's really weird. So we're going to peel this all off. And the adhesive sheets are on HSN. And then we are going to finish this. So we're going to go in. Kenny, if you see any questions, can you let me know?
Yes.
And I'm going fast, so it might not be perfect here. Okay. There we go. Oh, fix that in just a little bit. So now here we have thank you. Look at that. So simple, right? Now all we're going to do is we're going to add this. Whoops. Oh, this is the one the dog ate. Oh my goodness. The dog, we have a puppy and she likes to eat things. So we're going to add this. We're going to drop this right on top. And look at that. I just made a card. Look at this. Thank you. Open that up. There is my message on the inside. Look at how fun that is. Now, there's lots of fun samples. So here's a finished one, adding glitter paper to it. Isn't that gorgeous? Adding the glitter paper, adding so much, adding the cute little flowers. So it comes with some little flowers, sticker flowers. This one is a little different. This one is on our, it's kind of hard to see, but it's on one of our gatefold cards. So it's kind of like a shaped card, but it's not, right? But it is, but it's not. Then here's another one. Thank you. So just by changing the colors, you are getting something totally different. Look at this one. Now you could also put it on a square card or a 5x7 card. The choice is yours. Here's another one. You could put it on a regular card just like that. Thank you. Isn't that awesome? And then look at this one. You can just use the word separately. Thank, and it's a stand up you. Isn't that awesome? See how it stands up? Thank you. Let me turn this one. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Thank you. And it stands up. So that is the fold it card, the thank you fold it card. The item number, again, and I sometimes like to say them over and over again, is the item number is 925017. This is the thank you card. It does come with a magnet. It also comes with embellishments, the flower embellishments. Now, just a heads up, stay tuned because we have a really cool embellishment thing coming up and I'm so excited about it. Now, remember I mentioned this does come with a magnet. Our magnets are a lot different than anyone else's because look, it doesn't bend. It's very, very strong. These magnets are amazing. They are my absolute favorite. Took a long time to find magnets this strong and this sturdy, but look at that. They're not going anywhere. And of course I keep everything in my kangaroo pockets. So that is the thank you fold it. We're going to move on from there. And if you have any questions, if you could do me a favor and just put in the chat question really big or do a whole bunch of question marks so we can see them. But if we don't answer it, it's because I haven't learned how to demo and read at the same time. I know.